in this lecture we are going to learn about mirror and symmetry command. First, make some random sketch. Now make a axis line. We will mirror this sketch about this axis line. Now select mirror command. First select the object which you want to mirror. Now select the profile about which you want to mirror. So here is our mirror object. Now draw another axis line. Again select mirror command and select the object you want to mirror. Now select axis line to mirror about it. In this way you can mirror any object in Catia. Now delete these sketch. Now draw another axis line. Draw some random sketch. Now select symmetry command. First select the object you want to make symmetry. This rectangle is already selected. Now select the profile about which you want to make symmetry. So here is our symmetric object. You can see that in symmetry the source object no more exists. That is the basic difference between symmetry and mirror command. So this was the basic intro of mirror and symmetry command in Catia.